another tutorial video, yeah. So today we are going to be building the T28 tank destroyer or assault tank, however you'd like to call it, but it's a T28. So basically, the T28 is an American assault tank or tank destroyer, however you'd like to say it, but it's based on the T95, but it just only has one row of track instead of two. So I can show you the 2 rows of tracks over here. It's stuck on my Scorpion. So, the 2 pairs of tracks, or they were somewhere, so I think they're actually over there. How's boop, 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 boop. Yeah, they're right here. This is where our T95 is. So the front's a bit different, but that's okay. So basically the T28 is just this minus this layer and this layer. So yeah. What the heck was that? So now let's get on to our tutorial. So what you're gonna need for the first layer is nether brick, a button, a nether brick slab, smooth stone slab, let me see, is there anything else? I think that's basically, let's just check on the inside. Yes, this has a full interior. So yeah, full interior, working. You can put whatever gun you like. This is like a 50 cal ring right here. Oh, you're right. This thing doesn't work in 1.14 anymore. So I need to redesign this engine deck area. So let's just keep that wrong. So, okay. The first thing you want to place down another brick block right there. And go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then go 3 wide. 1, 2, 3. Then go 11 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now what you're going to want is the fill. The inside was smooth stone. Okay, now I'm going to put your buttons on the middle part. Oh, why are the bats everywhere? Now, what you're going to put your netherbrick slab here, here, and here, and here. So this is the first layer done. So the second layer, what you want to do is put a slab on top of these, slab on top of this, slab on top of this, and slab on top of here. Let's turn the weather to clear. That rhymed. Now we'll take your spruce fence gate and your dark oak stairs. You want to make like a repeating pattern. So you have a upside down dark oak stair space, upside down, like that kind of. Just have space, space, space to have it like this. Then I'm gonna put your spruce fence gate in the middle. Here. Why is it so hard to place? So yeah, what you're going to do that on this other side. There, 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 and there. There. Now what you're going to take your green concrete and place it right here. Now I'm gonna take a wait, what did I do for this? Now I want to take some a dark oak stairs and put it like that. Take a sign. I probably just an oak because it's gonna add some contrast. Put it right there. I want to take 2 levers, or if you want to have the side things attached, you can have chains, but I just do levers because I don't really want the side things attached. Put 2 levers here. 1, 2, face them down. Now what you want to put stairs on the front. 1, 2, 3. And now for the inside, you're going to put some snow. So for the inside, you want to take rid of your normal things. You want to get yourself a spruce trapdoor, a lever, dark oak fence gates, a stone brick slab, iron trapdoor, and a snow layer. And also a sign. And white concrete. And a map. That's just basically just fill up a giant space in your world. Flatten out a giant space. And then just add like every 2 blocks a block on top. So that's how I made this. So what you're gonna want to do is right here, you want to place 3 snow layers. 1, 2, 3. Now what you're gonna want to do is right here, you want to place spruce trapdoor. Trapdoor, I think. Let me just dissect this. So right here, you're also going to want to place a trapdoor here. And I think there's a lever somewhere. So lever here. And then a thing here. And then a stone brick slab there. Then you can add white concrete here and here. So yeah. Now what you're gonna want to do is take your item frame with your map. Where is this? Place it on the inside and put your map there. So you have, like, it doesn't show the inside. So yes. I'm also going to take a green concrete and place 3 in the front right here. Place 3 snow layers. Place an item frame right here and here. Place your maps and then a block here. So I think this is pretty much done. I think there's a snow layer here. 2, 3. Oh, here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So now I just want to place your green here, here, and here. And then just place another item frame there. So this is basically the second layer for your T28. The third layer, what you're going to want to do is get rid of your inside stuff and clear your weather. And time set 0. Take a green carpet, place it on your back as for the fenders, and for the front, you want to place 1, 2, 3, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Now do this, put them in the center. Now what you want to do is take a spruce trapdoor and a block. So just put it on. Just put a block here so I can put a trapdoor there and break these. Now, what you're gonna want to do, what is this? This is a dark oak stair. So what you wanna put a stair here, a stair here, then you're gonna take your green concrete right here and place 2 here. 1, 2. You're gonna do 6 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll place 2 stairs here. 1, 2. 1 and a 2. Now we'll place stairs here. And then we'll place trapdoors on the back. Like that. Now I'll place a green concrete here. And then a dark oak here, dark oak here. They just surround this, so it makes this kind of pattern. This is your engine. So now you want to take a sign, place 2 here, and 2 here, and 2 trapdoors. 2 trapdoors. Nope. And then your signs. So now I want to take your green concrete and put it here, and then a dark oak stair and put it here or something. I don't know. Break this, put that there, and do this like that. Then put a carpet on top, and then break this. You can put a green concrete block here. Now for the gun. You're going to want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 out. So the inside, let's just see, open up the hatch. So you need a dispenser and a dark oak fence gate and a ladder. Now put your dark oak fence gate here. Now place your dispenser here. So do that. Now I'm going to take your iron trap door. You want to put it here, and you have to get under here somehow and put it there and there. So let's keep going. Now place block your snow layer. 1, 2, 3. Now you want to put your item frames here, here. No, not there. You want to place a ladder here. And take your white concrete there or something. White concrete here. And put your maps in your item frames. Now let's take your ladder, put it there, and put 1 here. And then another map here. Now so I'm going to put a map here. And I think you need a comparator just for some like radio thinging. So you just have your radio, and I think you just put that there and take weather clear. So you're going to put a sign here for some reason, I don't know why. So now just place just another dispenser there, so just have consistent thing. So we're done with this layer. Now we can go to the next one. We want to take your dark oak slabs, stair, and an anvil. Okay, I want to go here. 1, 2, this, make a pattern like that. Go across the top, and right here. Go 2, and then go 2. And then go like this. And go here. Like this. And put a thing here. Put 2 here, and 1 there. And break this, and then break this. And then fill it into here. So this is where your hatch is gonna go. Now I'm gonna put a hatch here. And then we'll take your maps and just go up and put a block here. And put your spruce trapdoor there. Then your maps. Take your map. This. Yeah, now take your signs, go here, 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 and here, and put your item from here, 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 and here, and your map. And there, put your trapdoor there. And now for the antennas, put it here, one there, and one like there. You put it there and just take a debug stick slash give Michael's Minecraft deb. So let's click shape, put like there, and put this like here. Let's do it like this. Yeah, so have that there. Take your iron right here and you put it on top. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Let's just fix this. Now, just take a green block, put it in there, and then put an iron anvil there. Yeah. So now you are basically done with the T28. I don't know if there's any more inside stuff to do, but you can just put more maps in the front. You need to put a lever right, I know what you need to put. You need to put a lever right here. Oh, yeah, cool. This is helpful. Put your maps, and then your map. We can do this now. It's cool. Just put a map there, and a map there. Let's get out here. So, yeah, it's basically T28. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I guess I'll see you guys next time.